this video, we will explore the ZAppLink tool, an integrated plugin within ZBrush. It allows us to easily project textures onto objects using an external image editing program. This plugin utilizes advanced camera projection technology, meaning that an image or color information is projected onto the model from the perspective of the camera aimed at the object. We'll find the ZAppLink conveniently located up here in the document palette. When we press the ZAppLink button, we are prompted to enable the colorize function. If that's not the case, we can activate it from this interface. This method utilizes the polypaint technique. As we have learned, the texture becomes more precise and detailed in later recalculations into a map, the more polygons our model contains. So we adjust the polygon density to the required level. Here's what the ZAppLink user interface looks like. Here we can decide whether we want to immediately fade the texture that we project onto our object in the image editing program. This involves blending with the existing color information on our 3D object. We can also customize whether our projection should take place in the perspective mode. Additionally, we can choose whether to project on both sides. Let's keep the default settings and click Drop Now. At the same time, an image editing program opens, specifically Photoshop in our case. This image accurately represents the camera view in ZBrush. Below, we have 3 available layers. The top one corresponds to the currently active shader in ZBrush, while the second layer contains the color information, and the third layer serves as the background. Any additional image information that needs to be projected should be placed in the color layer. We can easily paint directly on the color layer. An image can also be used for projection purposes. And here's an important point to note. The color layer must have the exact same name, and the total number of layers must remain unchanged. For instance, if we have multiple layers, as illustrated here, we need to merge them into a single color layer. After that, rename it to its original name. Once we have successfully completed our projection work, we save the project file, and then return back to ZBrush. Here we click the Re-enter ZBrush button and confirm our choice by selecting Pick Up Now. We can certainly repeat this process as many times as we like. Additionally, we can create a character sheet using ZAppLink, providing a quick overview of our work from multiple perspectives. To accomplish this, we return to the document palette, where we find the sub-item labeled ZAppLink Properties. In this section, we define perspectives. For example, clicking on front automatically generates the backside. Next, we rotate our model to the right and click right, which will automatically generate the left side. If necessary, we can also create a camera snapshot from both above and below. Custom 1 and Custom 2 are camera views that can be personalized to meet our needs. Here, we can effortlessly define a perspective view. To reset the settings, simply use the Clear All button. Once we're finished, we activate the Make Character Sheet button. Now, we get an image showcasing all the views we've defined. In the next video, we'll explore another camera projection technique known as Spotlight.